Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a garden update, just a little quick video. So come along with me. Maybe you'll learn a thing or two, maybe not. Thanks for stopping by. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you know when I post future videos. All right, come on. Alright guys, I'm out here today weeding. I'm getting ready to cut that plumeria down. I gave my jasmine a haircut. I have trimmed back all of these mums and gotten the dead stuff out and put that in that pot there. And oh, I want to show you this guy. Isn't he a beaut? I guess he's a petal cactus. I'm not sure. Got him where my job is. This thing is growing crazy huge, but it's been there for years and it has beautiful flowers. So I cut a piece off and we stuck it in here. But what I wanted to show you was, if you remember, I have all my bromeliads just stuck here in the rocks under my jasmine. And I wanted to give them all a little bit of a cleanup because all of the jasmine flowers, which are so fragrant, dropped their leaves in there. And I just wanted to give them a little cleaning. And look, lo and behold, this is what I mean about bromeliads. They will just attach themselves to the rock, just like that. Okay? And by God, every one of them, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, every one of them is got a bloom getting ready to happen. That guy, this baby made his own pup. Okay, I don't think there was anything in this one. Oh yeah, way down. I don't know if the lighting is going to be good, but every single one of them has got a flower ready to happen. Well, it's not a flower, remember. It is, God, I've been in the sun a little too long. I'm having a brain fart. But every one of them. A bract. There we go. Ow! And bromeliads are sharp, just remember. This guy, nothing. This guy, nothing. They may be too young. And this guy, he's the mother. So I'm waiting for her to make babies and pups. But remember what I told you, just stick them on the ground. So let me get them back in and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, just so you can see what I'm doing, I'm literally just placing them on the ground, and I'm going to try to do this one-handed, but literally just stick them upright like so. I had him right here, I think. Oh, I'm terrible at filming and doing at the same time. And stick him. I'm just going to stick him down here like that. See? Okay. And I think we'll put him back here. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, maybe he was back here. I think he was back there like so. Oh. There we go. Him. Maybe he was here. I don't remember how I had everybody, but that's how we're doing it now. So, I'm going to stick, this is a new guy. And we're just going to stick him there, and him. And Am I even showing anything? I don't know. I'm sorry. And I'll stick him back there. All right. You get the general idea. You just put him in. And now I'm just going to throw the rocks back around. This guy really shouldn't be laying down. He should be more upright. That's the key. You want them upright so that they can get water in their funnel. So I'll just secure him with some rocks. Okay, so that's it for the bromeliads. Okay, so I've been working all day since like 10:30. It's like 4 o'clock. I'm tired. And I'm almost done with the back. Just wanted to give you an update. Oh, look at my shadow. So remember those gorgeous poinsettias? As sad as it is, we've cut them all the way back so that they can regrow now and get fuller and bushier. And the same thing with the milkweed plant. Cut that all the way back and down. The butterflies have come back. I have seen a bunch flying around. And trimmed up my trumpet flower, brugmansia, something like that. This baby's got so many flowers ready to happen all over. I'm super excited. Look at all of them. I just cut this one leaf back here, this one stalk. I want to give these succulents a little bit more sun. I feel like that's why they're not doing so well. And they don't got very much color. The flapjack looks good, but the one over there, and I'm so tired I can't think of the name right now. He's got no coloring and hasn't grown much. So a couple of weeks ago, I had already trimmed my desert roses and applied some wood glue on the edge. I hear my dog. I'll get you water in a minute. Focus. And he's got all kinds of new growth. The big, beautiful purple tibucina, whatever. Well, the deer haven't come back, but I gave this guy a huge haircut. Let him come back. He was about up to here, if you remember. Taller, actually. So we'll give him a good chance to regrow. I trimmed back some of this fire sticks and cut off some of the alpenglow and the one that I just cannot seem to put my finger on right now, and stuck them over here with some rubichinchum back there and some other odd succulent that I found when I was working one day, and I took a little cutting. So I don't know what it is, but it's got some roots. And I did the same thing over here. Gave it a little bit more room for sun here. Took some cuttings and stuck them in there. Like I beheaded one right here. Whoop. Right there. My euphorbia I'm going to leave alone right now. She's beautifully in bloom, and I'm going to just wait a little bit before I give her a trim to make her come fuller. I don't know what kind of aloe this is, but I got it at IKEA, and it was completely root bound. So I put one piece in the ground here, and we'll see how it does. The other tibucina that I cut. And this one's taller than the other one, but that's because this one gets more sun. My other desert rose that had been cut and trimmed, cut back a couple of weeks ago, and I've got some new buds already happening. Super excited. Oh, I'll show you in a minute. Didn't do anything over here except cut back some of the portulacaria. That'll help it grow fuller. And tomorrow I'm going to put an echeveria in here, and let's see how it does in the ground. And nobody out today. And this milkweed all the way down, and this poinsettia all the way down. So yeah, I got most of the weeds. That's what took me all day. I still have a bunch. They are just stubborn little guys, aren't they? So I had 2 of those Kalanchoe, the flapjacks, the Luciers, one on each side of this. And I decided that's what was hindering these other succulents from growing. So I have stuck them over here right now with that paddle cactus or whatever kind of cactus this is. So for now, until I decide where I want to put them. Yeah, so that's it. Rosemary growing absolutely gorgeous. I've had this for years. Trimmed my jasmine up and trimmed those mums down. The bromeliads you saw earlier. And gotta get this guy out. Someone come help me. And, you know, this is iris of some sort. And it's been in here for years. Never a bloom. So I tried digging it out today with my little hand shovel. And that was not happening. So I need to get my big shovel tomorrow and get that out. All right, guys. That's it right now for my garden update. Hope you're having a great day. And enjoy. Remember her? It's gonna be a him. I found out that it is actually 40 years old. Isn't that amazing? Is that amazing? That's freaking amazing. The lady who owned the house that I bought watched my video, and she let me know. She's like, "Hey, Jude, that palm was my grandfather's or her husband's grandfather. I don't remember. And it is over 40 years old." So I just wanted to share that with you quick. And I'm going to find out the name of the grandfather because that's what I'm going to name him. Yeah, I'm kind of weird that way. And I think what I've decided to do is I'm just going to take up all this curbing, clean up all these weeds, and I'm just going to like dig, you know, and just edge it out and keep it nice that way and put some lava rock or the Colorado rock that I like. So yeah, 40 years old. And I am going to try, wouldn't it be cool if I can succeed in rooting these guys so I could give it to her and she can start a new one from the grandfather, the granddaddy of ponytail palms. Yep, so I just wanted to share that with you quick. All right, see you soon.